Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to synthesize zinc iodide. Check this out. For this experiment, we're using elemental iodine. This is 100 mesh zinc powder. We're using a pestle. This is distilled water and a dropper and a crucible on a ring stand. Begin by measuring out 2 grams of zinc powder. Next, measure out 2 grams of iodine. With a pestle, gently start crushing your iodine. Once the particle size is close to the same, you're ready to add these together and slowly mix them until you have a nice homogeneous mixture. So for safety, we're doing this on a flame blanket behind a blast shield. You might notice that nothing's happening right now to our mixture, and that's because we don't have the molecular collisions necessary for this reaction to begin. So we're going to catalyze our mixture with a drop of water. Check it out. Here comes our water. Oh, instant reaction. Look at that. Here's the balanced equation for this amazing synthesis reaction. We start with reactants, zinc and iodine. We have 1 mole of zinc, that's Zn, and we have the diatomic molecule of iodine, that's the I2. Now, when these are mixed together and water is added as a catalyst, you get the product of zinc iodide, that's the Zn+I2. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.